Stephen Sanders. I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to get your core using the G.R.I.D, the G.R.I.D system, which is for gradual resistance incremental demand. We're going to talk a little bit about how to activate the calves, the gastrocsoleus, the lower abdominals, hip flexors, quadratus lumborum, QLs, and erector spinae of the spine, the transverse abdominis, as well as the biceps and rhomboids and traps, all at the same time. Alright, so here we go. I'm just going to do a quick little explanation on how it's going to work. I'm going to move the camera around and zoom in and kind of talk as I go. So what we have here is end fixations, so that I have resistance coming out this way, with rotation, left to right, up, down, pull, push. They're preloaded, so they're at different gauges, and that allows for a variety of resistance. Anything that I think I can handle, and as I get tired I can just drop a band, or if I'm not tired enough, add a band as I come and go. So here we go, we're going to do a little bit of a bicep curl. So it's a high bicep curl this way. What I'm going to do here is pull, like so. Now I have to lean back enough because the band's elastic, and I have to pull. And as I reach my max resistance, my body has to brace and try to overpower the band. It's a smooth motion, so I slowly get a recruitment from the arms, through the body, into the stomach, into the back, down into the calves. Trying not to let my body move at all. And that creates this contraction here, here, spiral line down to here, hip flexors, hips, thighs, and then calves. So as I use my feet, I'm going to lean back, and as I activate the bicep curl, my feet have to push this way into the ground to try to stabilize my upper body. I'm trying to remain isometric with my body angle. The more the resistance, the more angle I have to lean back, and as I pull, I'm getting this isometric contraction of gastrocsoleus. If I become more vertical, it's that much more difficult. If I stand up straighter, and always, you can see where I'm pumping my biceps by looking at what my feet are doing. They go together. And then finally, getting that core, little angle here. As I lean back, activate biceps here. I'm trying to avoid being pulled forward. I'm leaning back at an angle. My feet are contracting, so the contraction goes all the way from the ankles up through the legs into my stomach and my back. So circumferentially here on the transverse abdominis, and my shoulder blades are trying to stabilize as well. It's like doing sit-ups, calf raises, bicep curls at the same time. Whew. So it's kind of a synergistic application of the G.R.I.D. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out other ones if you're looking for inspirations.